friends, we're going to make a raccoon. It's a little hard to see right now, but there is a pen mark to go around. A raccoon is a nocturnal animal that likes to sleep during the day and come out at night. I'm putting my thumb in the thumb hole and the rest of my fingers down below. And open, close, open, close. My scissors and my thumb are pointing to the ceiling. Take it in your hand and we're going to cut, open, close, and turn the paper. My hand is staying in the same direction. Just turning the paper. If you move your hand a lot, you will get tired too fast and then you're not going to want to cut. So just move the paper. You can have some help, but do your best. Give it a try cutting. This works on the fine motor skills and the muscles in your hands. You want those muscles to be nice and strong for writing, and cutting, and gluing, and painting. So, open, close, and turn. Open, close, and here's his body. And then we're going to go back for his tail, which is a giant oval. Open, close. When you open, you're going to slide your scissors in a little bit. Got stuck. Does that ever happen to you where the paper gets stuck? It happens to me. Close, move your scissors. It's here. Open, move. Open, move. All right. You're going to take your glue and glue it on. A raccoon has stripes on its tail. So how are you going to add stripes? Crayons, markers, paint. Add some eyes. He kind of looks like he's wearing glasses. And then see how else you're going to decorate your raccoon. Have a good time and have fun with it. And remember, a raccoon is a nocturnal animal. It sleeps during the day and comes out to play at night. Have fun. Bye, friends.